No, today's topic is effect of disaster, flood. And in my opinion, I think a disaster means it occurred when over amount of water followed in a river, its main region, and no proper way of drain the river water drain in another way. So it is the main reason of pure flood, and it is harmful for our societies, and it is a natural disaster. That's all. Thank you.
Greeting everyone, I am Sani Kumar Singh. I have done my class 12th and pursuing my BSc from Electronics College. I have done my primary education from Army School Pathankot and higher education from Sina Model High School Patna. My hobby is to play outdoor games and listen music. I am a cheerful guy and cooperative in nature. I belong from Patna, a capital of Bihar. This is all about me. Coming to the topic which was assigned us is flood. According to me, flood is a natural phenomena which occurs every year in India and all over the world. The main cause of flood in our country is that heavy rainfall due to lack of drainage system and many more causes. If we want to overcome the flood situation in our country, we must plant more and more trees in our society and to build a better infrastructure of drainage system in our country. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear friend and respected sir. I am Chandan Kumar. I am from Sitamarhi, which is famous for the birth of goddess Sita, and it is also known as Janki Mandir. I completed 12th in 2018. Now I am pursuing BSc Math from Patliputra University. I want to join Indian Air Force because I am patriotic. I am faced with difficulty of my country and also want to don the blue uniform, become an airman. And come to the topic, floods. Floods are natural disasters affected by river, creek, woods, and human beings. When river cannot adjust of their water, then floods arises. Floods are caused by meteorological factor, physical factor, and human factor. These factors can act combination of their acts. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mukesh Kumar. I am from Samastipur district of Bihar, which is famous for Dr. Rajendra Prasad Agriculture University, Pusa. In my family, there are 4 members. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housemaker. I completed intermediate from SRJSA College Samastipur in 2018. At present, I am pursuing graduation 3rd year from LMNU. Outdoor game like playing cricket and riding bike is my hobby. My aim is to join Indian Air Force because I like Indian Air Force discipline life and its adventurous life. Now come to our topic. Our topic is flood. Flood is a natural disaster. Flood affected human being very badly. Flood occurs when river has excess amount of flow of water, and due to melting of icebergs and accumulation silt in our rivers. That's all. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Shivam. I live at Mau in Uttar Pradesh. I have done my 12th in 2018 and now I am pursuing BA. There are 4 members in my family. My father is teacher, my mother is homemaker. We are 2 siblings. I want to join Air Force because my dream is to touch the sky with glory. In my free time I like to gardening. I am amiable. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which is given to us, flood. Flood is a big problem in India. Many years to this, many people lose their jobs and government's property. It is occurs due to lack of drainage system and exploit to our nature and global warming. Government should connect river to there is no water should solve this problem. Thanks to all.
Good morning, all my dear friends. My name is Ravi Kumar. I am from Nada district. It is a famous for couple of waterfalls. I completed 12th 2070 from BSc Road. Recently, I am pursuing graduation from Magadha University. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading book. And I joined to Indian Air Force because it is a social respected job and social respected job. Now and come the topic floods. Floods are the natural disasters. Floods are natural disasters. There are many reasons for the floods: excess waters, not proper drain systems. Floods affects our crops, human activities. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. I am Badal Kumar. I am from Munger in Bihar. I have passed intermediate examination in 2018. Now I am pursuing BA Part 1 in Tilka Manji, Bhagalpur University. We are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a health worker. We are 2 siblings, 1 brother and 2 sisters. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me a golden opportunity to serve our nation. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to me. Flood. Flood is a natural disaster which causes affecting many life of human beings and many people are become homeless. That's all.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Jitendra Kumar Singh. I am from Chhapra, Bihar. There are 5 members in my family. My father's name is Panaveshwar Singh. He is a farmer, and my mother's name is Tara Devi. She is a homemaker. I completed 12th in 2019. Now I am pursuing BSc first year from JP University. I believe in hard working and I like adventure work. My hobbies are playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force and give my best to our nation, especially seats dress. I get filled with josh, strength, country and spirit. Now I am going to discuss about our topic flood. Flood in India are not restricted to any people. The states of Assam, Gujarat, West Bengal in witness to good rains. That's all. Thanks.
Good morning, friends. My name is Dhananjay Sani. I am from Deoria district in Uttar Pradesh. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. As far as my qualification is concerned, I completed intermediate in 2017 and at present I am pursuing my graduation part 3 from Gorakhpur University. I want to join the Indian Air Force because to become the part of Indian Air Force has been dream of my life since I passed high school. To accomplish my dream as well as to serve the nation, I want to join the Indian Air Force. Now come to the topic. Then today's topic is based on floods. There are many natural disasters in world which occurs everywhere, like earthquake, drought, floods. In the floods is the today's topic which is given to us. What is the reason behind flood? Flood is especially occurred when deforestation is done, as it known to us that plants are main sources of water, taking waters, and day by day we are cutting the plants, so it causes the flood. And the soil erosion by some rivers from mountains that covers the palette of river. This is the reason behind the flood come over its palettes. Thank you.
Good morning, friends and respected sir. I am Prashant Kumar. I am from Rohtas district. In Bihar, which is the famous for Sirsa Suri Makabra. There are 4 members in my family. My father name is Dharam Kumar Singh and my mother name is Nilam Devi. I have completed 12th in 2017. Now I am pursuing graduation BSc Part 3rd. My hobbies are playing cricket and read a book. I am believe in hard working and like adventure work. I want to join Indian Air Force because on my dream and I am very inspired to see discipline of airman and my always encourage me and my always inspired my parents inspired to always me. Let's come on topic. Today is my topic floods. Floods are a natural disaster affecting the crop, livestock and human beings. It's very harmful in our country. That's all.
Good morning, friend. My name is Gautam Kumar. I live in Gaya, which is famous for Mahabodhi temple. I have completed 12th from State Board in 2018. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. Two are source of inspiration. In my free time, I like to teaching. We are 3 siblings. Honesty and hard working is my strength. I want to join Indian Air Force. He gives me not only adventures life but also gives to pursue opportunity to serve my nation. Now I have come to my topic. Flood. Flood is a natural disaster. It causes to death.
Good morning, all friends. My name is Rahul Kumar. I am from Patna, Bihar, which is famous for Born of Samrat Ashok. I completed intermediate 2019, and I am doing BA Part 1 from Patliputra University. I am believe in hard work and adventurous work. Now I want to join Indian Air Force and serve our nation because it's my childhood dream. Our topic is a flood. Flood is a natural disaster. It is very harmful to our country, not for our country, the whole world. It's many causes for floods. Many causes for floods in deforestation and heavily rain are also in causes.
As we all know about flood, and I think every
affected natural disaster which is affected by all over the world. In recently 2017 floods are affected in India by many states such as Rajasthan, Gujarat, Pachim Bengal or Rajasthan, which is badly affected. Floods are caused by meteorological factor, physical factor and human factor.
Friend, as we all know that according to the survey, 12% of our population affected every year by the flood. According to me, the major cause of flood is that not a better drainage system in our country, the heavy rainfall, the heavy deforestation in our forester, and if we want to overcome this situation, we must make our drainage system better and better day by day.
I'm agreed with my friend as he mentioned that the flood that caused in our country mostly by the blockage of the river, of the canals and all. But the reason behind this are also the heavy precipitation in the areas like Uttarakhand, and the cyclonic waves also causes the flood, and we must prepare for that. Our NDRF is also working for that. Our government has taken so many steps for evolution of this flood. We must create more and more dams and reservoirs around that, and we must divide the rivers into canals and join them to the reservoirs and all.
Yes, I agree with you. There are many reasons for floods. Some like such as deforestation, non-proper drainage system, increase the global warming due to the hill, our mountain range and nearby areas increase the water and situation the floods.
As my friend,
Our government tried to solve the floods, and there are solved their problem by NDRF.
as my friend just talked about the reason behind the flood, I would also like to add some more points in it. The main reason behind the flood causes when the population is also main reason of floods, because we pollute our surroundings and rivers, that causes in global warming and melting the ices, that increases the level of water, and this causes of flood in our country.
Global warming are also responsible for flood, because global warming is sea levels are also increased. That's the reason for flood. And in our country, Bihar are also harmful. This flood, Kosi is also a badly effect for our environment. We will see area water issue and
As just mentioned about the river of Kosi in Bihar, that is called the sorrow of Bihar, because it every year increases its level of water and causes main destruction of people lives and cities that is situated in the bank of rivers.
Just mentioned that Kosi is known as sorrow of Bihar because it's rapidly changed in our way, and Damodar is also known as sorrow of Bengal, and we are all affected every year in flood in Bihar, and we all are. And I think government not take any proper step to drain overflow of water, and that's all.
Not only Kosi and Damodar in Bihar and Bengal, there are so many rivers those who causing flooded in our country and worldwide also. But where in the populated areas, in the cities like Mumbai and Patna and so many cities, we can also have the faces so many problems of flood. And this or that's all because we people are also not responsible to the sustainable recycles of the waste product we used to throw our waste product and plastic bags and etc. in the canals, and it causes the blockage of the canals, and that's why the floods are also causing in our cities also. It is very harmful to our economy as well as the people's life also. It also causes the regeneration of so many diseases like cholera and all. And we must, and government is also working in it, and we must also focus on what we do. We should be good for our country.
Yes, I agree with my friend, but I want to add some more point that according to a survey, many states of our India are affected by flood. It affects our crops and infrastructure, and many of the peoples lost their home every year. This is a bad impact for our country that we are not improving our infrastructure, our dams, our better drainage system in our country.
Yes, and I agree. Government will provide to many steps to reduce the flood. We will take many dams in our country. So will not do a government also awareness for our irresponsible for not to take the producers for rivers and not to westerns.
Yes, friend, I agree with you. Just my friend is talking about we are responsible for the flood because more or less we created the pollution and that causes the flow of river.
Yes, and in my point of view, accumulation of silt is also responsible for floods. Floods has affected many states like Bihar in Kosi River, Assam, Pachim Bengal, etc. Government has taken many steps in this direction. Government has established flood camps. It has some relief for flood affected people.
Yes, natural problem in our country. What is a natural in our country because mainly reason for fall running in a river and over water the river. That's all.
According to me, as we know that in recent year, the Bihar is affected by the heavy flood in 2019. The major cause of flood in Bihar is by the not a proper drainage system. Our people throw garbage in their drainage system, and this affects by the heavy rainfall in Bihar.
Yes, friends.
Main reason pollution day by day cutting plants and some river
According to my opinion, floods are not phenomenon because India is not restricted in any people. In 2017 is good rains. Rajasthan, Gujarat, West Bengal, Assam.
Cutting down of trees and the overpopulation is also caused because due to the population and the cutting down of trees, the precipitation all over the country and the worldwide has the change, and irregular precipitation occurs. That's why the flood occurs because, and we must also focus on government is making the plan for but they are only the paperwork and these plans are not implementing on the root level. We must and NGOs and the government should also try to influence the people also, and as well as the plans must be influenced at the root level. Thereafter, at the time of flood, when people are given only some rupees and thereafter they forget their knowledge, we must focus on that, and the government should also focus on the implementation of the plan.
I agree with Vishal, and my brother just mentioned that only government should be not responsible for this, and I think we all are more or less responsible for this because we are not proper in pollution sector. We all are not aware in a proper way in pollution sector, and I think it is be responsible for flood, and I think our government should be take on any steps to drain overflow of water because every year we all are seen that Gandak and Kosi are in overflowed and it's injurious for our humanity and it is that's all.
Gentlemen, please give the chance to Badal and to put him the point.
Should we cut plants and plants make
I request to gentlemen, please give the chance.
Dear friends, many reason for cutting tree, but most problem our pollution.
Yes, I agree to my some friend that population is also a case. Due to overpopulation, we make a big infrastructure in river basin. That river change its direction and flood in harmful for every.
There are many reasons behind the flood. The main reason is global warming, and more reason is in mountain area burst the cloud. It is extra.
As my friend Sunny is just mentioning about the population is the main cause behind floods. I would also like to say that unless all the efforts are made to eradicate the pollution of our country by our soul of heart, the future of India is remain uncertain.
Yes, friend, I agree to you. Due to the overpopulation,
I agree with him. Grass is main cause, main problem main problem of rivers in India.
my friend just mentioned population is a matter for floods, but my opinion cannot main reason for population is floods. Main reason for deforestation and not to rain in systems wise. So main reason for deforestation and floods, not rain.
Friends, I want to say that deforestation is the
example for many
friend, I'm coming to the point.
a small population. On this topic, my conclusion: plants should be not cutted and not make water pollutions, and our responsibility and government's responsibility. Plants don't cutted and plants cutted men should be punished.
At last, I conclude to add some point. In every year, floods affected human house, crops and animal death. So government take decision on flood and also right for drain system, and people also not cut the tree. That's all.
At last, I want to say that if we want to overcome by this situation, we are affecting by every year in our country, the government should make the better drainage system in our country, and we must plant more and more tree in our society. This will help for improving our blood system.
Lastly, conclude the point. First of all, changing ourselves, and then after our government should take proper steps to how to reduce.
No, I differ with my friend because every year the government spend many funds and make crore of rupees to make a proper system, but due to our lack of better, not proper system, the many corruption is done.
Government should make a proper drainage system and inspire to every people to make rooftop system. And if we connect the north and the south river to each other, then solve many problem of flood.
Yes,
I want to conclude the point at last.
The
government should make the plans and that the dams and the reservoirs should be made, and the rivers should be connected with the many canals and the reservoirs and lake and all, and the deforestation can be practiced along with the banks of the rivers and all the.
And dear friends, floods is a natural part in our world, but we can stopping for cutting tree and pollution stopping.
I conclude some points. We should help flood affected men, and government should establish many flood camps because flood affected men has lost everything in floods. Thanks.
Over and out.
Government provide excess money for and better the drainage system and proper river and best the canal system. decrease the flood systems.
Last of all, my conclusion, friends, floods, our government will provide to many scams. Our affected floods area, our government will awareness for people and take many steps to good step to
On this topic, my conclusion: plants should be not cutted and plant made by government and our responsibility. Plants care and that's all. Thanks.